And now it's time for a treat. Here's Carol Mirko with a favorite family recipe that has been modified for people with diabetes. This recipe has been approved by Liberty's certified diabetes educators and dietitians.
Today we're baking cheesecake, one of my family's favorite desserts. Hi, I'm Carol Mirko of Heirloom Meals. If you're pie crust challenged like my mom, you're going to love this diabetes-friendly recipe. We're going to make an apple cheesecake torte in 3 simple steps. You're going to need a 10-inch springform pan for this recipe. We start by mixing 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs with butter, cinnamon, and nutmeg until it looks like coarse meal. We then press the mixture into the bottom of the pan using your hands and about 1 inch up the sides. Bake this for just 5 minutes at 350 degrees. When you take the crust to cool, turn the oven to 450. Now we're taking 2 large packets of softened low-fat cream cheese and mixing them with 1/2 cup of sugar substitute, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Blend with the mixer until smooth. Now that it's nice and smooth, I'll spoon it into our crust. And now our fruit for flavor and health, 2 tart apples. We'll mix the slices of apples using Granny Smith with vanilla, sugar substitute, and cinnamon. We add our apples on top of our filling, and finally we sprinkle it with some heart-healthy chopped walnuts. We bake the cheesecake for 15 minutes and then we reduce the temperature to 350 for 45 minutes. Press for doneness and just poke at it to make sure it's firm and then cool it on a rack. So now that it's completely cool, let's remove the sides of the pan. I hope this tastes as good as it looks.